Feeling overwhelmed by stress is something we all know too well in this fast-paced world. It can leave us irritable, exhausted, and even lead to serious health issues like insomnia or heart problems. But here's the thing. You don't have to let stress control your life. That's where NuviaLab Relax comes in. This natural supplement is a total game changer for unwinding and improving sleep. With ingredients like Calmamix, featuring valerian root, lemon balm, and passion flower, it promotes calmness and a positive mood. And let's not forget about Rhodialife, a powerful adaptogen that helps you keep your cool when life gets hectic. Plus, it's packed with essential vitamins and minerals like magnesium and B vitamins to lift your mood and enhance sleep quality. Users are raving about it. 98% recommend it for reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. Just take 2 capsules daily with a meal, and you'll be on your way to feeling more balanced and focused. Don't let stress take control. Take that step toward a more relaxed, positive you.
Thank you for watching. For a more in-depth review of the product, click the link in the description below to visit the official website.